Hello guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix your shadow ban in Tinder. Now, how do you know if you got shadow ban in Tinder? So that's just easy. So if your right swipe is getting any leads at all, then you are shadow banned. Or if you have been reported by inappropriate behavior, that means you are shadow banned. Now to fix it, you have to go to Tinder support. Now go to your web browser and type in Tinder support. Now in that, as you can go to the main official page and type in submit a request. Now click on trouble with account login and click on can't login, my account was banned. Now type in your email, your phone number, and the description of what happened, and you can also attach the screenshots of the warnings and hit submit. Now after you hit submit, then after 24 hours or more than 2 days you'll get a notification on your Gmail. Then you'll on shadow ban from Tinder. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.